Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the structure. The molecule has a main chain, ChO CH is equal to CH, CH2 ChO, where a ChO group is attached to the CH2 carbon. The carbon-bearing CH2 also has a ChO substituent. Let us reread. CH2 CH is equal to CH, ChO with a ChO hanging off the CH2. So the full structure is OHC, CH2 CH is equal to CH ChO. This gives us 5 carbons in the chain if we count both aldehyde carbons as part of the chain. Moving on to the next step. Number the longest carbon chain containing both aldehyde groups. The chain is C1, ChO, C2, CH2, C3, CH is equal to C4 is equal to CH, C5, ChO. Wait, let me recount. The ChO groups themselves are the terminal carbons. So the chain is C1 is equal to ChO, C2 is equal to CH2, C3 is equal to CH, C4 is equal to CH, C5 is equal to ChO, with a double bond between C3 and C4. That gives a 5-carbon chain, pent, with aldehyde groups at C1 and C5, diol, and a double bond between C2 and C3 or between C3 and C4 depending on numbering direction. Moving on to the next step. Apply lowest locant rule for the double bond. Numbering from left, the CH2 and C1 is equal to ChO from the branch, but aldehyde carbons must be C1 and C5. Number so that the double bond gets the lowest possible locant. If we number C1, ChO, C2, CH2, C3, CH is equal to C4 is equal to CH, C5, ChO, the double bond is at C3, pent 3 Na. If we number from the other end C1, ChO, C2, CH is equal to C3 is equal to CH, C4, CH2, C5, ChO, the double bond is at C2, pent 2 Na. The lowest locant for the double bond is 2, so we use pent 2 Na 1,5 diol. And for the final step, pentane, 5 carbons. Suffix diol to aldehyde groups at C1 and C5. Double bond between C2 and C3 giving Na with locant 2. Full name, pent 2 Na 1,5 diol. Eliminate other options. A. Propene 1,3 diol, only 3 carbons, incorrect chain length. B. Propene 1,3 decarbaldehyde, incorrect, implies additional ChO groups outside the chain. C. Pent 3 Na 1,5 diol, uses locant 3 for the double bond, but locant 2 gives a lower number, so this violates the lowest locant rule. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.